This video contains related concepts in labor. It is in Chapter 3 named Labor in the textbook Cost Accounting. This is more suitable for B.Com, B.B.A, M.Com and M.B.A of all universities of India and foreign countries. It is suggested to study through laptop. Presented by Dr.M.Wilson. Related concepts to labor. 1. Payrolls. Payroll is otherwise called as wage sheets. It is the duty of payroll department to prepare the payroll. Payroll is a record of the details about the gross wages and net wages earned. The gross wages are computed in the payroll in separate columns by normal hours worked, overtime worked and hourly rate. The net wages are computed by the various deductions like provident fund, insurance, income tax, loan recoveries, etc. Payroll is prepared with the help of time card if wages are paid on time basis, or piece rate cards if wages are paid on piece rate basis. For monthly salaries, payroll is prepared with the help of attendance register. Separate payrolls are prepared for different departments. In the payroll, the employee's name and ticket number should clearly be recorded corresponding to their gross wages and net wages. A model of payroll is stated as follows. A model of payroll is stated here. It is clear from the wage sheet that the complete details about the wages of a department relating to a period are recorded in the sheet. The wage sheets for all the departments concerned with all the periods should be maintained in the payroll department. 2. Pay slip. Pay slip is a slip containing the details of wages paid to each employee. It contains the gross wages, all deductions and net wages. It is prepared from the wage sheet. It should be given to each employee at the time of payment of wages. A model of pay slip is stated as follows. A model of pay slip is presented here. Pay slip is a record to verify the actual work done and the calculations of the wages. If any worker got doubt in the calculations, then they can complain to the concerned authorities for verification and rectification of the mistakes, if any. 3. Disbursement of wages. The cashier usually makes payment of wages to the workers. The wage sheets are signed by the responsible officer and handed over to the cashier. The net amount payable to workers is drawn from the bank. Wages are paid by the cashier to workers in a separate envelope. The envelope contains the exact net wages and the pay slip. 4. Direct labor and indirect labor. The labor directly involved in the conversion of raw material into finished products is called direct labor. Example: workers in the manufacturing and assembling units. Indirect labor is those labor who is not directly involved in the process of production. Example: foremen, supervisors and office staff. Direct labor cost is those labor cost which can easily be identified in the product and can be allocated to cost center. Indirect labor cost is those labor cost which cannot be easily identified and allocated to the cost center. It should be apportioned to cost center. 5. Wage abstract and wage analysis. The financial accounting department calculate the total wages paid with the help of payroll or wage sheet. For financial accounting purpose, total wages paid for the accounting year is enough. But for the cost accounting purpose, the wages paid should be classified into direct and indirect. The indirect wages paid should be allocated to production, administration, and selling and distribution departments. Wages paid for different work or job should also be calculated. To meet all the requirements, costing department prepares two statements called wage abstract and wage analysis. A. Wage abstract. Wage abstract is a statement which shows the classification of wages according to different jobs or different works. Total wages paid should be apportioned for different jobs or works on the basis of time spent or the cost of job or any other basis. A model of wage abstract is stated below. A model of wage abstract is presented here. B. Wage analysis. Wage analysis is a statement to classify the wages into direct and indirect. The indirect wage is further classified for the purpose of production, administration and selling and distribution departments. A model of the wage analysis is stated as follows. A model of the wage analysis is presented here.